All right, 1303 Montgomery Road, and just wanted to give you the overview. So that shot really shows you what you got going on in the backyard. That is a very large 2-car garage, and you can see it perfectly in these shots. So solar panels too, both Brooke and Phyllis have the information online for those, so we'll share it, but take that in. So definitely something that I believe is deceiving from the road, but there you go. So really 4 bedrooms. We're gonna go through and get you the boots on the ground tour so you can see it, but we wanted to add this into the beginning just so you truly got a sense of the neighborhood and you didn't miss that back section, because there's, you know, a lot of potential there. And there you have it. We'll hop on in.
All right, here we are, 1303 Montgomery in Wilmington, Delaware, listed by both Brooke and Phyllis. So excellent agents, excellent people. And let's take a quick little scan of the neighborhood. So I drove all through here, been here before, but you can see some people expanded. Always do your own due diligence, but a lot of options. So I see a newer 3D architectural roof. We'll just go around the outside, then go inside. And I do believe this one has the solar panels. So we'll get you the details on that. Looks like this was an addition or a bump out. Oh wow, and a 2-car garage. So there's those solar panels and more of them. Yeah, we're probably gonna have to check this out with some drone footage, but that is cool. So decent backyard here as well. Wow, that's great. That's a whole other building, that 2-car garage. All right, we'll walk through here, show you the backyard. It's fairly private. And there's a privacy fence up there, and that property is situated a little higher, so kind of nice if you're looking for privacy back here. All right, so this is the garage to our left. I do believe that's the neighbor's shed. We'll double check. Yeah, with the property line, it makes sense. And it looks like when we're inside, that's all going to connect. So that's really, really cool. And Solar City is now owned by Tesla. So we'll get you the details on those. Linked up to the solar panels. And there you are. So that is the 360 around the perimeter. Nice little patio area out front. And looks like somewhat newer gutters, but again, we'll always do our due diligence and check the disclosure. In we go. All right, no coat closet there. Hello, hello. Thought I heard somebody. We have a fireplace there, built-in wall unit for AC. And we're gonna check everything out. So hand sanitizer and gloves. Hello. Okay, come in. All right, cool. So bedroom number 1, hardwood floors in here. Spin you around. So that's the panel. Picture of the light. And that, okay. Check out more details on that. See all the wiring going into it. Looks like a disconnect. All right, so front bedroom. Window AC in there. We'll leave it as we found it, so we'll close this door. Hello, hello. All right, and a bedroom. Here is a closet. Pretty deep closet. And this is where it's gonna get cool. Oh yeah, preview of what we're gonna say. All right, there we go. Here is the bathroom. All right, updated here with the tile. Cool. All right, make sure we're not missing anything. Looks like there might have been a little mini linen closet, so you might be able to access it. And then, coat closet. All right. So far we saw 2 bedrooms. Gonna stay on the same level. It's a really open concept. I mean, you have your living room, dining room, kitchen, all flowing. All right, and then we're gonna head back here. All right, hello, hello. Okay, so this takes us back to the parking area. And the 2-car garage is there. Oh, look at this. Extra fridge here. Your boiler, Well McLean. Looks like new. I gotta check how that is. That's a shutoff. And that might just be running to something else, the water line. You can see how that's set up. We'll get you more details. And the water heater as well. That's electric. Here's your laundry. All right. This is a big room. And it's really essentially bridging the gap between where we're gonna go now. So let's see. That is open. Hello, hello. Oh, cool. 2-car garage. Look at that. Some available storage up there. Take it in. Really nice 2-car garage. Center blocks for construction. And there you go. So if you recall, that's where I was looking from that second bedroom. All right, seem to be some newer windows here. Just a fuel tank, we'll check up on that. They're vinyl. Cool. All right, very nice. Let's continue. Let's see the kitchen from this vantage point. We'll lock that because it was locked. All right. So I do believe this is built on a slab, I'll confirm. But since we sold the main mechanicals, there shouldn't be anything else below grade. So up we go. Remember, we saw 2 bedrooms downstairs. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Oh, good bedroom. All right, so that's a closet, and I'll spin you around. There should be a closet right there with the roof line. Ceiling fan in here as well. You can see, and this is cool. And this should be the 4th bedroom. Hello, hello. With light, good. Whew. All right. Yeah, the roof line on this too. So access. I mean, there are your closets. And access there too. Really cool way they built that in. You can do more of that if you want. But there you are. Yeah, there's a house we're selling in Media, 112 Valley View. Similar roof line, and you can do that same thing. So it's really cool setup. Even one of those closets, if you don't want it, you can almost have it built the same way as this. You know, just my own personal take on it. Again, always do your own due diligence. That is everything for the inside of this house. So there you go. We are going to lock up, head outside, get one more vantage point from the street, and then if we have some time, we're actually going to add some drone footage. So here we go. Let's take you here. Beautiful skies. Get a glimpse of the neighborhood. And one more shot of Brooke and Phyllis. It's their listing. There you are. We're going to take to the skies.